Emifenac 50DT effervescent tablets have emerged as a versatile pain relief solution sought by many for conditions such as toothaches, headaches, and nerve pain. They come in a convenient effervescent form that dissolves quickly in water, making them a preferred choice for those looking for rapid relief. Product features and ingredients: Emifenac primarily contains diclofenac, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, acclaimed for its ability to alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. By inhibiting the body's production of prostaglandins, substances that trigger inflammation, Emifenac effectively eases discomfort. Indications for use: this medication is suitable for a range of ailments, including rheumatoid arthritis, fever, severe headaches, migraines, dental infections, surgical pain, spine and menstrual pain, as well as muscle and tendon pain in athletes. However, Emifenac is not a cure for hemorrhoids but can relieve associated pain. How to use for optimal results: dissolve 1 Emifenac 50DT tablet in a quarter cup of water, consuming it immediately after dissolution. It is advisable to take the medication about an hour post-meal to minimize potential stomach side effects. Dosage guidelines: adults typically take 25 mg to 50 mg 3 times daily, with a ceiling of 150 mg per day to avoid overuse. Alternative options and considerations for those seeking alternatives: other medications such as Cataflam, Adiaflam, Dulvic, Fastflam, and Emifenac may be considered. It's advised to consult a doctor before switching medications. Warnings and side effects: common side effects include stomach upset. Pregnant women, especially those beyond 20 weeks, and breastfeeding mothers should only use Emifenac under medical supervision due to insufficient studies on NSAIDs in these groups. Children under 12 should avoid using this medication. Additional insights: Emifenac begins to relieve pain approximately 20 to 30 minutes after ingestion. While it is not known to cause drowsiness, caution is advised in its use during pregnancy, particularly in the last trimester, due to potential adverse effects. Conclusion: Emifenac 50DT tablets offer a powerful solution for pain relief across a spectrum of common ailments, albeit with necessary precautions. Users should adhere to dosage recommendations and consult healthcare professionals as needed, ensuring safe and effective use.